Okay, cleaning my Sauron thing. Tell you what, it's not like a Sauron. It looks like it. It's smaller. Dirt bike. WD-40. Got my glove. See you. Okay. Ow. It's just like see that part? Maybe I recorded too late. Because I did it when we were here. Dude, I got the whole thing. Shake it. Not even a little. I did it a little bit when you weren't here. At least. I did every single part. Inside, outside, side, and the other side. Been pretty good. I guess it's okay now. See you next video. Let's see if it works. Okay. Steering.